In this guide, you'll learn how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. First, launch your Shopify App Store, search for QuickBooks Online, install the connector, and follow the prompts to connect your Shopify and QuickBooks account. During setup, choose the bank account where Shopify sends your payouts and confirm your undeposited fund, which temporarily holds your sales until Shopify transfers the money. Review your sync settings by opening the connector's setting. Enable options like automatic transaction sync, product tracking, and customer tracking to automatically match products and customers with existing QuickBooks records. Save your changes and click Sync Now to import your Shopify transactions. Once the sync is complete, go to App Transactions or Integration Transactions in QuickBooks and review the imported sales. If a transaction needs additional information, click Review to match or create customers and products. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to add the transaction to your books. As Shopify sends your payouts, QuickBooks automatically creates payout transactions that combine sales, refunds, and fees into a single bank deposit. Review the payout, confirm it's linked to the correct bank account, and approve it. This moves the balance from undeposited funds to your bank account, keeping your records accurate and fully reconciled. And that's it. That's how you can connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online, automatically sync your sales and payouts, and simplify your bookkeeping with accurate, up-to-date financial records. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.